Matco Tools is expanding again with the addition of a new 20-volt plus half-inch high-power impact wrench. This impact wrench is built for power and performance with high breakaway torque, brushless motor technology, and longer run times with a 5 amp-hour battery platform. With more than 1,600 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, Matco has the power to get things moving. Built with a highly efficient brushless motor which equips it with incredible power, runtime, and durability. The motor is coupled to a heavy-duty impact mechanism that's been designed for high power output. Delivering this power is a high-quality, high-strength steel anvil which has been processed through sub-zero and shot peening processes. A super bright 4 LED light ring illuminates around the entire anvil, making it easier to see the work at hand from any angle. Matco is also stepping up battery performance with the new battery. This battery now has a 5.0 amp-hour rating which extends runtimes between charges. As always, you can check the charge level with the onboard capacity gauge. Finally, the battery is wrapped in high-quality rubber overmold which provides protection and better stability. The new 20-volt plus family is built on a secure and rugged connection design. The full-length contact rail design locks the battery and tool together firmly and provides secure retention in high-vibration applications. With industry-leading power, the Matco half-inch brushless impact easily removes stubborn crank bolts. In a 10-second independent power test, the Matco MCL2012BIWK outperforms the competition with best-in-class torque output. The MCL2012BIWK is available in 3 colors and comes with a 2-year warranty. For more information, contact your Matco Tools dealer today.